In this video, I'll put you through on how to download and use the Amazon Endure book font, which is the newly recommended font by Amazon KDP. Let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch your web browser, okay? So here I'll be using Google Chrome. So I'll double click on it for it to open. Okay, as the browser opens, click here and search for Amazon Endure Front, okay? So look at it, press enter key. All right, Google AI has summarized that, but that's not what we're interested in. So get to this side, to this, after that, this I'm pointing at kdp.amazon.com English help topic. All right, click on this link, okay? Then you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. So scroll down until you get to this section. You can see here it says new. Use Amazon Endure, our custom font specifically designed to reduce your page count and save you money on printing costs. For information on printing costs, visit this. Note, note that this font is currently not available in Japanese, kanji, or Cyrillic characters. All right, that's good. So you are provided with two options here. This one says Amazon in your font. Then this one is templates with Amazon in your front. So let's go with this first option. I'll click on that. Now this is downloading and it has downloaded into my PC. So let me go to the get to the downloads folder of my File Explorer for us to do what we can do from there. So I'll click on File Explorer. All right, as File Explorer opens, click on Downloads. And you can see that Amazon in your front. So let's begin the installation. So I'll double click on it and then it says select an app to open this zip file. Okay, let's select run. All right, let's go with this our file explorer. I'll click on it and click on just once. Then look at it. I'll double click on this again and we are provided with some options. Okay, so what do we do next? Let's go for this one, endure semi-bold. Okay, I'll double click on it. And now this shows up and I will click on install. So you hold on for it to be installed. All right, so with these few steps, I think we are done installing this. So I'll close this page. Okay, so you can see we have a lot of fonts here and you still have this one. If you want to install this, double click on it. All right, and then hit the install button. So we have two fonts now that are approved by Amazon for us to use in publishing our books on the platform, KDP platform, to save costs. All right, and what they feel is the best. So I'll close this again. So I have installed this and I have installed this semi-bold. So if you want to still install other ones, no problem. But I think we are good with this. So let's now open our Microsoft Word to see how this applies. So I'll click here and select Word. All right, let's say I want to work on this document. So I'll click on this. All right, so this is written in Times New Roman, okay? So with that, those installations we made, I believe those fonts are loaded into Microsoft Word, every application on this computer immediately. But let's see if it's true. So let's say I want to change everything here to this Amazon Ensure font. Then I'll click here anywhere in the document, Control A to select everything on the assumption that I'm done writing what I'm writing. So I'll click here and start typing Amazon Ensure. All right. You can see that font we installed has shown up here. So if I press the enter key of my computer keyboard, it will be applied across all documents here. All right, or if I want to start, I can click here, click on this drop down and search for it and select it before I start writing. So These are just the steps you need to take to do that. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, self-publishing, and YouTube education. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people that need it. And leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.